Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Equinox door panel. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a screwdriver. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning. Next, carefully inspect the door panel for any visible screws, typically located in the armrest or door pull area, and remove them. Now, let's tackle the trim. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry up the window switch panel. Once it's loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to it. You might find more screws hidden underneath this panel or behind the door handle bezel, so be sure to remove those as well to free up the components. With the screws out, it's time to detach the main panel. Use your trim removal tool to carefully release the plastic clips holding the panel to the door frame. Work your way around the entire perimeter, gently prying to pop each clip free. Once all clips are released, lift the entire door panel straight up to clear the window channel. Finally, disconnect the door handle cable and any last electrical connectors still attached to the panel. Now you can carefully set the door panel aside, making sure it won't get damaged. When you're ready to put it back, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips and screws align perfectly for a secure fit. Good job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.